How was it? Pang ilang close-up, forever?
Forever summer.
Okay.
Can't excuse him.
Okay. Colleen, how excited you are?
I'm very, very excited. I'm really looking forward to it. Ibang klase talaga nung narinig ko pa lang yung mga tao na sumisigaw just by seeing Alesso's name. It's very exciting. What more pa sa event itself?
How was your experience last year? Dun sa...
Actually, ako funny story, hindi ako nakapunta last year. May show ako
Actually,
sa
pareho
Cebu.
kami.
Pero,
Ay, hindi ka rin nakapunta!
Ano yung kayo?
pero nakita ko yung videos lahat at
Ay, sobrang saya daw.
it exceeded sa mga expectations namin. It was the
Yes.
craziest party ever.
Grabe, alam mo,
Pupunta na talaga. This year, pupunta
Namatay
kami.
kami sa inggit.
So magkita-kita tayo dyan.
Sabi na kayo na schedule niyo.
We're expecting everybody to have fun under the sun. That's it. Diba? I mean,
Yes.
kasi pag
Good
summer,
vibes,
diba? May
good
mga
vibes,
summer.
okay.
Oh my gosh, it's so hot in summer. But we want to change. We want to make it, oh, it's summer.
Fresh.
This is hot. This is hot.
Fresh.
So, you know, good now.
Sino yung magiging guest nila? Ano yung may mga...
Alesso.
So,
is
Dennis
our
Poyu,
headliner.
Helena, and local artists. So, guys,
Yeah.
kung kilala nyo sila, so, kung hindi mag-enjoy pa rin kayo, napakagaling nila. So,
Actually, local artists pa lang ka, abang-abang na sina DJ Ace Ramos, Mark Miranda.
Yeah, there we go.
Sobrang gagaling nilang lahat.
Sino yung mga friends nyo na i-invite nyo to come?
lahat.
Naku, dito pa lang andito na silang lahat eh. Doon pa kaya.
Kasi lahat,
I don't have to invite
Kasi
anyone.
dami nag-text yun, humingi ng ticket sa akin eh.
Yeah.
Will you invite Lily to come? Yun no?
Politics kasi siya.
Oo nga.
How about you? Will you invite Julia or...
Pwede pa rin ito. I mean, kung okay lang siguro, lahat invite ko lahat ng friends ko.
Lahat!
Invite ko.
Why not?
Ano ka ba?
Natawa ako dun sa billing.
Oo nga, di ba? Oo nga pala, you're different.
That's a nice interview.
Yeah.
Natawa ka talaga, no?
Alright guys, when you tweet,
Yes.
remember hashtag close up forever summer.
Close up forever summer. We'll be giving
Closer.
away tickets actually. You will be giving away tickets. I will be giving away tickets.
So we're all giving away tickets, guys. That's how happy we are.
More about the concert. Paano yung naging parang planning?
Actually kasi each year, I mean, people always bring artists and DJ here. So this time we wanted to change it. Dapat, kasi bakit, kung sino na dumating, sige manood na lang tayo. This
Yeah.
time, you guys get to choose who you guys want to watch.
You
What
know,
kind of music.
sobrang excited. You know that everybody will be pleased by this event because they themselves got to choose, they themselves got to select from the theme to the venue, lahat talagang yung mga manunood sila yung pumili. So, yan ang kakaiba talaga. I'm so proud talaga to say that this is what makes us so unique, is that we give everybody the power to choose, every single person. And we're so proud to say that over 500,000 people have participated in voting for all of us.
As in lahat ba, the theme, the artist, the music.
Tulad nga na sinabi ko.
Kayo ba mismo nag-suggest kayo kung sino yung gusto nyo?
Yes.
Actually, from the start pa lang nung naging close up,
Yeah.
kasi super fan ako ng Tomorrowland. So,
EDM talaga kami. EDM talaga. Pero yeah, we were given the freedom to post whatever we wanted, yung mga votes namin. And yung mga kino-convince namin yung mga followers namin na mag-vote na ganun.
basta pag-send sa akin EDM or indie, it's like, indie, man, EDM, lahat EDM. So, syempre sila, EDM. Diba? You
EDM.
gotta enjoy the party.
Ooh, and it's summer, so beach party.
Sino yung mga favorite EDM artist niyo?
Oh my God.
Alesso is definitely one of them. Definitely.
Sobrang dami.
I like
Nakita mo-
Cruella.
Yeah.
Cruella.
Pag nakita mo yung idols ko,
I like
as lahat,
Dapper
like,
din eh, yeah.
lahat, puro EDM lang.
Puro EDM. Avicii. Yeah. Hopefully, our next one, diba? Talagang lahat ng
Hopefully
mga-
comes back for Close Up Summer.
Yes.
So this time makikita na talaga kayo doon.
Yeah.
For sure.
Top of the yard. Yeah.
Aside from this, Colleen, what's other thing aside from showtime, aside from this? Do you have anything to do? I mean, project?
Nagkakabalahan. Well, mainly just showtime and yun, shoots here and there on the side. Pero right now, yun, I just really focus on that. And my friends, family, close up, and Carefree, we're doing, I think, another campaign for Carefree.
So mga endorsements and
Yeah.
something. Na alam mo naman nag-tweet na doon, nag-trending yung time ng doon sa Showtime, di ba? Na
I heard about it.
pwede namang maging tayo. Anong reaction mo lang noon? Parang gano'n, di ba?
Nahiya ako eh. Nahiya ako.
Nahiya ka. Ano lang reaction mo na talagang parang marami namang may gusto, di ba? That the one na maging kayo na. Parang gano'n.
Siguro.
Pero you don't want to talk about it.
Ano, nahihiya lang talaga ako.
Bakit ka nahiya?
I don't know.
Nakakaya, nasa spotlight siya. di ba?
Ay, ano talaga ako eh. Hindi ako ma-attention.
Being in the spotlight.
Yeah. Very, lilo ako eh.
Ah.
Hello,
What do you think